Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a fun video for you. I am going to be putting together two different looks for Valentine's Day. You might be the kind of girl that's into all the pinks and mauves, that trend that's happening right now, or you might be on the no pink bandwagon. Whichever side you are on, or if you just like options, I've got something for you today. I'm going to put together two looks. I have most of the face done, and we are starting with the neutral eye red lip look, and then we're going to move on and do a soft pink Valentine's look. So hopefully this will help you choose your look if you have anything special planned for Valentine's Day, whether it's hanging with friends, a loved one, your significant other. Let's just have some fun with makeup. I will have all of my base products listed in the description box, and if you haven't figured it out, we're starting with the Neutral Eye Bold Red Lip. I did put on the Essence Stay Matte Liquid Lip with my Morphe liner, and we're going to add a gloss at the end. So again, you have options. You're going to be giving your significant other a couple of smooches and you want a transfer proof look, or do you want all the gloss and the glam? I've got both. So for the eyes today, I'm going to use this palette from Kiko Milano. If I didn't mention it, every product that I'm using today is affordable. This palette from Kiko Milano is just beautiful. They have two options on the Ulta website. I don't know about you, but I'm still doing a lot of online shopping. And this is the Bright Quartet Baked Eyeshadow Palette. And this is what it looks like. They are baked shadows. I was watching something the other day that talked about how easy it is to wet baked shadows. So I might play around with that today. I'm going in with a rougher number 14, and I am going to start with this darkest shade. And I'm just going to center it out there. I did prime my eyes with the Jason Wu. Again, everything will be listed, but we are doing a very simple eye look. I like this brush from Rephr. It is a smaller, fluffy blending brush. And truly, we are keeping it very simple. Another time, I'm going to play with these shadows wet, because I've been hearing that baked shadows look even nicer when they're wet, or punchy when used wet, and that you won't ruin your pans wetting your brush. I have not tested that theory as of yet. So I'm aiming for a soft look today. So just the way that they perform is fine with me. I am just going over that. I could stop right there, but of course I want a shimmer. So let's go ahead, and I want something bright. I'm going to go in with this brightest shade right here in the corner, and I always find that it's best to use my finger. And I'm going to, let's see here, it's not so punchy. So maybe this is our chance to wet. I'm going to take a flat brush. This is a Morphe brush from a Jeffree Star collection, and I am going to put some on my brush, and I'm just gonna wet it with any old setting spray. You could even use water. And let's see what that does, if that makes it better. Or even wetting the finger. Let's do that. The shadows feel silky smooth on the eye. Let's go ahead and go back into that crease. And take a fluffier brush and blend the edges. This is a clean brush. I'm going to go under the eye with a little pencil brush here. This is from Zoeva. I'm going to go back into this deepest shade. I'm going to wet it. Next I'll go in with a pencil liner. This one is from Wet n Wild, their Breakup Proof Black. And I'm just going to put a little bit of this in my waterline. And this just gives the illusion of longer lashes. And underneath, I'm going to put a little bit of my BH Cosmetics white pencil liner. Gives the eyes a brighter, more awake look. I'm going to do a small wing with the Wet n Wild H2O proof liner. Take that liner and just run it a little bit under. Taking it a little bit under that white is going to make that white pop even more. I'm just going very careful under that white. And we are ready for mascara. I did already curl my lashes. I'm going to go in with the Milani highly rated anti-gravity mascara. I am back, and here is the mascara on the top and bottom. I want to add a little extra brightness to my inner corner, so I'm going to take this white pencil from BH and I'm just going to put it in my inner very most corner here. And if that looks great, you can take a small pencil brush and just sort of blend it a little bit. And there is the eye look. Base, just stay neutral, and your eyes and lips can change everything. If you are wanting a little more gloss and glamour with your look, I have a gorgeous red gloss from Juvia's Place called Cherry Love, and it is actually a red gloss. So if you wanted to skip the liquid lipstick, you could just do a liner, fill in your lips, and throw this on top. But I wanted to show you what this looks like. It is a beautiful gloss from Juvia's Place. I mean, just such a nice, glossy, juicy look. Will it transfer? Yes. Did the essence not transfer? Correct. This one will not move off of your lips, will not transfer, but if you want to go for that gorgeous glossy look, then go for it. This does actually stain, so this will stain your lips, which is kind of nice if you're maybe eating dinner first and it's going to rub off, but I hope you enjoyed this. Of course, you always want to end with some setting spray. I like matte setting spray, so this is my Morphe matte setting spray. And this will set your face for the evening. So I'll be right back with my base on, and we will do the soft pink Valentine's Day look. Hello again. I am now going to do a lovely pink look for those that are looking for a softer Valentine's Day look. So same base, and on my lips I have the ColourPop lip liner in Oh Snap, and I have the Honest Beauty. This is their Demi Matte lip crayon in Marsala. I highly recommend this lip product. Well, you know I love the ColourPop lip liners. They truly are probably the best inexpensive lip liners that I've experienced. But this Demi Matte lip crayon goes on so nice, smells so good. I did go ahead and prime the eyes with the Jason Wu, and we are going to go into this JCat Dia and Noche, and this is the Tri-Element 15 eyeshadow palette, and this one is the Dia palette. There are some beautiful shades in here, fantastic formula at the drugstore. You can get this on, I believe, at Ulta, but for sure Ulta online, and it's $7 maybe. I'll be sure that I post a picture. So we are definitely going to get into this pink shade. I am going to build a soft base probably by mixing these two shades. So I'm going to go in with an e.l.f. This is their detailed crease, and I am just going to mix these two colors together because the brown is a little too dark and that cream is a little too light. So we are going to build up here just to give, you could even use your bronzer for this, but this pink, this palette is beautiful. You really do have a lot of nice options. So you see how that made a nice transition? Focusing on the outer corner and then just lightly dragging it around. While we're here and enjoying that color, I'm going to go in to the bottom lash line using that same combo. Just using a flat brush that I got from a BH Cosmetics set. Had to use a little Lumify drops in the eyes. They were looking a little red from cleaning off the eyes. But wow, that stuff really makes your eyes look super white. I'm going to take that darker brown and just put it on that outer corner a little bit. Now for the fun part, I'm going to go in with this shade right here. These are soft shimmers that can be a little chunky, but they adhere to the eye fabulously. You just press and move that color around. Soft and pretty. I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild Breakup Proof. Back in with that BH in the white. I'm going to sharpen it. I like it in that inner corner. Blend that in if it's too harsh. I want to add a little bit of a wing. I'm going to go back into the Wet n Wild. And this one's just going to be a little baby one. I'm just going to the start of the color. And if you are new at wings like me, this is a much easier way to put the liner on. You don't have to go all the way across the eye. Curl the lashes. I'm going to go back in with the Milani Highly Rated. I am back, mascara on the top and bottom, and this is the completed look. Do you like the pink better? Do you like the red with the neutral eye better? I would love to hear which eye look you prefer. But this is a soft and pretty look. The other is a bold and powerful look. You can be whoever you want. It's just makeup. It washes off at the end of the day. Maybe you'll match your outfit. But I wanted to give you options. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. If you've not subscribed, I hope you will consider subscribing before you leave. I post videos on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. All kinds of fun makeup. I do drugstore, I do high-end, just having some fun. So I hope that you will join me, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Have a fabulous Valentine's Day.